Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at DeEEP Network's DIN NFT sale that goes live today actually. So if you're interested in passive income strategies with a device, this might be of interest to you, and at the end of this video I'll share my thoughts about it. But as always, nothing I say is financial advice. First, let's quickly go through DeEEP Network and these DIN NFTs and what they are all about. I'll also mention some about the earnings with the DeEEP device towards the end of this video. DeEEP Network, built by NerdNode, powers Web3 workloads like blockchain nodes and oracles using custom hardware, these devices right here. So unlike centralized servers dominated by big tech, DeEEP devices is run by people worldwide to ensure true decentralization. These devices are very simple plug-and-play nodes. We just connect internet to them and power, and they are pretty much up and running, and then the DeEEP team will handle all the maintenance and the updates with the nodes and so on. So we earn completely passively without needing any technical knowledge at all. And here are some of the nodes for the different blockchains this device can be run for. So what are these DIN NFTs? Well, they are decentralized infrastructure node NFTs. Those are the license you need to own and to activate a DeEEP device. These tradable NFTs have unique traits and are part of the DeEEP's ecosystem, they say. However, if you already own a Founders Edition device that are already sold out by now, then you already got a non-transferable DIN license already. But you can of course buy more of these NFTs to expand your stake, they say. So here's what this NFT sale looks like today. The sale goes live at 9 AM PST on the DeEEP's own website. They are offering 2,127 NFTs in 3 different tiers. In tier number 1, which is the cheapest one, there are 533 NFTs, then in tier 2 there is 693, and then 901 in tier 3. And the price will go higher and higher the more NFTs that have been sold throughout these different tiers. You can also find a special link towards this NFT sale down below in the video description, where if you use that you get 111 DeEEP tokens for free per NFT that you buy, and you will get those tokens at the token TGE, the token generation event. But just to be clear, buying one of these NFTs does not give you the DeEEP device. It only allows you to buy the device and then later activate it. With the DeEEP device, so either the Founder Edition or this version with the DIN NFT and a device, we will earn the DeEEP token in 2 different ways. The first way is through minting rewards, where early users just get tokens for keeping the device plugged in, plus extra tokens based on workload usage. The second way is through hosting rewards, where we earn 50% of the hosting fees when companies use your device to provide workload. And this DeEEP Network show themselves can potentially earn up to $2,790 annually per device. DeEEP Network is still in their testnet stage right now, so you'll still earn testnet tokens that will convert to mainnet tokens later, which is a common practice by now. But keep in mind that early participation often turns out to yield the highest rewards in the end. DeEEP Network aims to release more and more devices over time to meet the Web3 demand. They even target to have 100 different workload integrations by the end of 2025. And I believe I've heard that they aim to reach between 50 to 100,000 devices active around the world in just 4 years from now. So that's quite an ambitious goal right there. So what are my thoughts about all of this? The device, the NFT sale? Well, DeEEP's potential earnings that they mention of $2,790 per year per device is very ambitious in my opinion. We still have not seen anything showing that those are the earnings that are still on the way, and nothing that indicate of it. But honestly, if we end up just making $500 per year passively with such a device, I would still be very happy. But now when new people want to get in and they first then need to buy an NFT and then buy the device on top of that, it sounds like the entry price will be quite a bit higher. And if that's the case, then people will for sure want to see these higher kind of rewards. So then the DeEEP Network will need to live up to that even more. However, at the same time, if DeEEP Network's estimates of these earnings are true, then these devices will easily be the best crypto miner or crypto node earning device out there, especially since it's 100% passive income and we don't need to do anything with it. But usually when it's the case like this, when it sounds too good to be true almost, it usually is. So keep that in mind. The DeEEP Network team have although kept being busy, kept delivering new features, integrations, and been quite active. Now I want to hear your thoughts about the DeEEP device and these NFTs. What do you think about them, and what do you think this device will be able to earn in the future? And also, if you're interested in getting involved in this NFT sale, don't forget to use the link in the description. That'll give you some free tokens as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.